welcome back to another chiropractic adjustments video. If you watched our last one, you would know Luke had a rampage, and if you look closely at the end, you will see that Luke broke his arm.
And I kind of broke his hand off by
Behind
accident because I dropped the arm. But
dropped it.
Yeah, dropped it. So I'm gonna go first. Then Blaze will go, and then Luke will go again. Because we want Luke to go last. Because if he breaks it again, we want him to go last, so it doesn't affect me or Blaze.
Yeah.
All right. That's how this one leaves the screen. And you too. Get off the screen. Get off the screen. Get off the screen.
I will.
How righty.
Bennett, his neck is on the other
Oh,
side of his body.
his neck is broken. Well, start off with the legs.
Oh.
Come back. Try to escape me. I'm just gonna.
Holy frick. What are you doing to him?
Go back to. Okay, that's his leg is broken.
I thought you were supposed to help him with his muscle.
I tried.
We just go behind the scenes.
Cue the video where I try and fix his leg. My God. Okay, now that that's fixed, we're just gonna fix his pelvis.
I'm fixing it. Oh.
That's nice and friendly right there. Bring you back, and I gotta do 2 more on you. Ah! And so, all right, let's
Oh my! What are you doing to him? You're gonna
start
make
the
him
next
like
person.
Yeah, frog. Okay, so I'm going to make some adjustments. Let me make him put him back to his normal. Okay, there we go. First of all, this is his hand. He says hi. Okay. Get rid of this. That didn't sound good.
That's the one I broke off
He still has one
by
hand.
accident.
He still has one hand. Hold
Keep
on.
that in mind.
Make him Spider-Man. Now, how do you do Spider-Man again?
Get
Spider-Man.
to the chiropractic.
Oh, chiropractic. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to be fixing you, buddy. So let me see. We're just going to do a little leg adjustment. Just tell me when it hurts. Ah! No, we just stop. Hold on. Just tell me when to stop. Oh, I'm pretty sure you just kicked yourself in the face there, bud. Let's just twist your neck around like that. And one more. Okay, you should be good. You think your arms, you probably need that to go there. You need, where did your leg come from? Oh, and you don't have another arm, so let me just pick him up. How is your spine today?
Okay, next person. He's gonna die. Get off screen.
I'll leave a little bit for you. Okay, that's the same thing as last time. Yeah. Oh.
No, his face. He broke his face off.
Okay. I think that will be it for today's video.
Blaze, let's step out in the hall as he continues to beat his dead prey. Well, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.